What's up, everybody? John here with Hendrix Racing. So basically in this video, what we're doing is I'm taking off all the body parts of the 2007 Yamaha R1 just to see what all needs to be replaced. Just a quick look. I believe I've ordered everything that is needed, but I wanted to take everything apart just to get a good idea as to all the damage that was done in the crash and what would need to be replaced for certain. I've already ordered some parts, but of course, as you start taking body parts off and stuff like that, you start seeing other things. So in this video, I am, like I said, just taking off body panels. I'll end up taking the brake lever off because the brake felt like it had locked up a little bit. I think it's just because of the dirt. And as we get into taking everything off, that is exactly what happened. Some dirt got in there. And I'm just checking out a bolt, making sure that it's not bent. Some of them were, which is fine. I've got packs of them that I can replace them all. So, yeah, belly pan's coming off first. Then I'm going to end up looking at all the dirt that's inside of there, see how much junk I picked up. As you can see, the dog's having a grand old time. After the belly pan comes off, I then take the upper fairings off, which all comes off as one piece. Then the tail section, and of course the back seat, and I end up taking that cowl up front that sort of covers the gas tank off a little later. But yeah, it's a long journey. Reckon's part of it, and yeah, so I'll probably end up time lapsing the majority of this, throw some music in there, and hope you guys enjoy me dismantling this poor thing. I've had this thing since 2007. This is really one of the first crashes I've had. This one, and also at Road Atlanta. My friend Jenny right there, she was showing me a video of a lady falling into a manhole cover, or falling into a sewer through a manhole cover, and then the manhole cover fell on top of her. But yeah, so yeah, enjoy. I'll throw some music in here, time lapse everything, and we will get after it. So give us a like, give us a comment. Comment what race fairings you think I should buy. I mean, I already have some ordered, but what your recommendations are. And any hard parts you guys think I should just keep in the trailer. I know levers, for sure. I have some rear sets coming. I'll show a video of me putting all this back together as well. I have a friend of mine, look at all that dirt. That's just atrocious. I have a friend of mine, her son is really interested in possibly racing. He's, I think, 11. So I think they're going to be coming over in a couple weeks. I told her I'd let him help me put everything back together again, just so he can be involved. So anyway, enjoy. Give us a like. Drop a comment down below. And yeah, just enjoy this atrocity that I kind of have to deal with. So we will see you guys at Barber, hoping to get all this done. I've got 22 days to get everything off, repaired, and put back together. I think we can do it. It shouldn't be a huge issue. So yeah, until next time, we will see you guys at Barber.